So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make this cool typewriter text effect inside the free version of DaVinci Resolve. So let's get right into it. So once you're inside of DaVinci here, the first thing that you need to do is come up here to the effects page, come down to titles, and then text plus, drag that down onto your timeline here. So once we have this, we can go ahead and just make our text however we want. So once you have made your text to your own personal liking, what you have to do is come down here to write on. What you need to do is come to the beginning of your text here and bring this right on all the way down to the bottom, and then press this keyframe button right here. Then come forward about a second, but you can really just do this to however you want. The further forward you go before you make the text back on, the longer the effect will be. But once you are to however far along your text you want to be, you can just drag the right on all the way back and then come back to the beginning here. So now you have that cool typewriter effect, really simple. So if this video is helpful, or maybe you liked it, go ahead and click on this one next, and I'll see you in the next one.